Hi, I'm Jason Stahl, and I'm here with Dan Reutter from U-POL. The first two parts of this series highlighted how to properly prepare a repair surface with U-POL Lightweight Gold Body Filler and Dolphin Ultra Fine Finishing Glaze, and then prime with System 20 High Build Primer. Dan, what products are we going to be covering in this last part of the series?
Well, Jason, since we're in the final stage of our repair, I'm going to cover our System 20 Clearcoat line. As I mentioned in this last segment, U-POL System 20 primers and clear coats utilize the same set of hardeners, so it's an easy and convenient system to use. The U-POL System 20 primers and clear coats are available in both national rule and low VOC formulations, offering superior performance that suits virtually any shop condition. Our System 20 clear coats are also available in 4:1 and 2:1 mix ratios, so you have options with different speeds of your hardener to suit your preference and the type of job you're going to do. Today, I'll complete our repair with one of our 4:1 System 20 clear coats, UP2882 Universal Clearcoat.
All right, great. Tell me a little bit about the Universal Clearcoat.
Sure. Our UP2882 Universal Clearcoat is made from high-quality European resins. It has excellent flow, which makes it easy to apply, sand, and buff. UP2882 Universal Clear has outstanding gloss and features excellent UV resistance. It's also resistant to scratches and abrasions. It's specifically formulated for overall and multi-panel repairs, and it can be air-dried or low-baked from 130 degrees to 140. And lastly, it's compatible with most waterborne and solvent-based base coats.
All right, are we ready to get started?
Let's go, let's do it.
First, I'll tack off the surface with a tack cloth. Next, I'll mix up the 4:1 clear coat. Once mixed, I'll attach the paint cup to my 1.3 HVLP gun. Next, I'll apply 2 coats of clear using a 75% overlap. I'll allow a 5 to 10 minute flash time between coats.
Dan, that's an impressive finish and a great end to our 3-part series on how to perform a complete repair with U-POL's premium fillers, glazes, and coatings. Where can people go to learn more about these products in this 3-part series?
No problem, Jason. They can visit u-pol.com for more information.
Fantastic. Well, Dan, thanks again for being here.
Sure, no problem.
Well, that does it for today. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.